This video introduces the QE for Lighting and Power tool used to develop lighting solutions. This video will demonstrate the basic functions of a smart lighting system and how the QE for Lighting and Power tool contributes to its development. To achieve a highly efficient, energy-saving, and comfortable lighting environment, smart lighting is rapidly becoming a high-growth market. A smart lighting system has two key components: the digital dimming module and the power control module. The digital dimming module enables more flexible lighting control and further optimization of lighting environments in buildings. Among all digital dimming protocols, DALI, as an international communication standard, is increasingly favored and plays a crucial role in the lighting field. The power control module is another essential component of the smart lighting system. It ensures efficient and reliable operation by precisely regulating the power supply to each light fixture. In practice, a high-quality smart lighting system solution has four characteristics: high efficiency, high reliability, high flexibility, and high compatibility. Currently, developing a smart lighting system requires considerable effort. Developers must acquire the necessary knowledge, design specifications, create a board, and develop and evaluate the entire system. Renesas provides a range of libraries, documentation, and evaluation boards to support your development and evaluation activities. The QE for Lighting and Power tool provided by Renesas is an assistant tool for configuring and evaluating smart lighting systems. Using the QE for Lighting and Power tool, you can expedite the development of a lighting system in 4 steps. Prepare a project with an evaluation board and development environment. Configure essential parameters. Evaluate on the board with real-time results. And generate the program for the entire system. This tool provides a professional and efficient platform for developing smart lighting systems, significantly shortening the development period. The QE for Lighting and Power tool seamlessly integrates Renesas lighting system libraries, integrated development environments, IDEs, programming and simulation tools, solution programs, and evaluation boards. You can create new solutions based on these rich resources. The parameters of the dimming protocol and power control functions can be configured through a graphical user interface. For example, the graphical user interface for the DALI protocol is organized for easy understanding and use. Power control parameters can be adjusted in 2 ways: simulation and evaluation. The QE for Lighting and Power tool has integrated a simulation module. With it, you can obtain rough parameter estimates without using additional equipment. After importing the rough parameters into the evaluation function, the QE for Lighting and Power tool can download the parameters to the actual board and make necessary adjustments based on real-time results obtained from the board. The QE for Lighting and Power tool also integrates with various compilers and related software, allowing seamless generation of source files, compilation, and one-click downloading of the program to the evaluation board. Finally, the development of the lighting system solution is completed. The QE for Lighting and Power tool provides great value to the development process. It simplifies design activities, reduces development time, and saves costs and human resources. It makes the development of smart lighting systems simple, fast, and efficient. For more information on the easy development environment using QE for Lighting and Power, please visit the Renesas website.